talaga, oh. Pimples ko talaga yun ang una, baby. Let's go out na. Go out. Good morning, mga shots. Good morning, mga shots. Yeah. Where's people? Oh, stop. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Good morning. Good morning, Kuya. Good morning, Kuya Tumtum. Wait, Tumtum is already, wow. Oh, this is Ate Malia's gift later on. Para sabihin daw na dumating si Santa Claus. So that's the gift for Ate Malia, the bike, when she wake up. Okay, where's everybody? Say hi, everybody. Oh, there, Ate. To Tita. Where is Kuya? No, where is? No, where's dog? Good morning.
Morning!
Asan si Munti pala? Hindi ba sa labas natulog?
Good morning!
Ito lang. Bibiana. Ito na, mag-charge tayo ng ating phone. Lobat. Say hi! Say hi, Bibiana.
Para ilagay mo ito sa labas ng basura. Dali mo doon.
Akala ko na maaga si Malia nagigising. Bakit hindi pa nagigising si Malia? Napagod yata.
Lagay mo ito pa.
Yung tulog ko rin, tulog manok. Itong batang ito, nakanaya naman akong nag-iingay kagabi. Nakaapat na iyak kagabi.
Nag-iyak-iyak yan.
Natigasan niya ata sa hinigaan niya. Kaya tulog kami sa sahig.
Ah, yan. Gusto ko.
Malalaglag.
Yun nga lang. Mataas-taas pa.
Mataas pa naman. Kuya Marimar. Siguro na hindi siya na sa, probably sa matigas. Nag-iiyak siya.
Ngiti niya. Ano, malaglag ka?
Pag nasa kama kasi tayo, kailangan mo bantayan. Kaya, Diyos ko, malikot pa naman tong batang ito.
Hindi ko naman doon pa. Nasa bulan.
Wala ka.
Dapat nagtimpla mo na kayong kape doon.
Ayan. Saan ito rin nalagay din? Saan ito nalagay doon sa kahon-kahon?
Oo, so may laba. Ano yung basurahan?
Oo.
Basura doon yun sa kahon. Awan pa, nakabukas kayo yun doon? Kasi minsan nakakandado pa naman yun. Bukas. Yung basurahan ba?
Sarado pa ba yun na may ano?
Tingnan mo.
Ganda na mo.
Ba? Amoy ano ka pa, bibiyan. Dito. Baba dito. Bye. Baba dito.
Tapos mo na yung makpasa siya.
Si Kuya Tumtum, good morning. Uy, si Kuya Tumtum, Merry Christmas, Kuya Tumtum. Oh, Tata, Merry Christmas, Tata daw. Batang ito. Kuya Tom, do you know how to get my bag? No? Yan lang. Luba tayo. Tayo naka-charge kagabi.
Hi, good morning.
Naglaway ng batang ito.
Good morning, Yana.
Huwag ka na ng palyana, baby. Say good morning! Uy! Saan na si Tom? Yung aming
Ilagay mo yung ano.
Christmas party. Yung aming Christmas kagabi. Wala masyadong ganap kay Walang video. Paano kumain sila o hindi sila nagyaya. Where is it? Wow, finally you found it. Thank you, Kuya Tom. Is this the one? Oh, I don't think this is my charger.
Sipon ng anak mo.
Where did you get this from, Kuya?
The one you told me.
The one that I told you? I don't think this is my charger.
Come here.
Oh gosh, I think I... Okay, let's
Oh no. Oh no, morning. Good morning, the baby. Morning.
Mali yata ang charger ko. Bro, big brother.
Okay, go inside.
O, bilisan na kay malulubat na ako. Palabasin mo na yan. Lalabas na daw si madam. Turn the light on kasi si madam magigising na.
Hiya. In the shine.
Uy, where's the...
Ayan na yan.
Oh,
Siya lang.
kuy, nandiyan na. Paano ba tong... Ayan, light. Nandito na. Kuy. Wow. Santa daw. Santa. Ingay. Good morning. Uy, what's that? That's too much.
Is it from Santa?
Yeah, it is. Santa came last night.
Look.
Good morning.
Santa, eat it. Santa, eat it.
Oh my God. You got gift from Santa. Wow, you're so lucky. So all yours. All yours. Wow.
I was sleeping.
You were sleeping, yeah.
When Santa came, you were sleeping.
So much gift.
I was sleeping too.
Asan sa kanya daw? I sleeping daw.
Oh, that's not. I thought I cute.
Huh?
This
What's that?
is cute.
Clothes? What?
Fit.
Let me open up. Open up. Show us.
No, it's not.
It is clothes.
It's close. Show me, show me, show me.
Yeah, it fits you.
Let it go, Papa. That's Elsa and Anna, isn't it?
Frozen?
Frozen?
Oh no.
It is.
Eh, very good. Say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Okay.
Open all of them.
Ano size?
This is mine also.
Wow, that's so lucky.
Happy? Hey, you have to open the presents first after you open that bag. What? Yeah. This is all mine?
Yes.
How do I give it on you?
Oh, buti na laki ano si Kuya.
This is not, what? Where's yours? I don't have any. But where's your present? I have no present. Why? I don't know. It's that big. It's that big.
Boy, that's fine.
That was kind of you. You got it at first.
Oh yeah. It's a Bibiana.
What is that? What is that? That's a Santa put it there. What's this?
Kuya,
Oh,
it's a clay.
the bag. Oh, bag. No, it's bag. I already said it's a bag.
Baba, look. You check. You check if Santa put something in the shoe.
Here, the shoe. There, in front.
Pala, sorry. I would go. Stocking.
Wow.
Oh, he put chocolate. This blanket for you.
Sure. This is my
Take it
hand.
all. No, it's not. Wait. Oh, yeah. We have the chocolate.
Chocolate for everybody. Okay.
You share.
You still have more to open up. Open those gifts.
Oh, something I don't know.
I got a chocolate too.
Oh, Daddy get some chocolate.
What? That's red.
They have something in there as well. Where? That's
No,
Matthew.
it's
That's Matthew.
Lollipop.
Look, Baba.
It's Santa. Hey. open.
You open the gift. Open the gift.
I want to ride the bike.
Yan, anak.
No, that's mine. But when you have to share, not everything's on yours. You have to share. It's mine.
Ano ba ito? Oh! Siya may sana?
Wait. I opened it. I thought I get this one. Mommy!
What is that?
Oh, mine then. This Tom didn't want the present of me.
Yeah.
Eh, she's sharing daw.
What is that?
Tapos nakita yun yung dati.
Yeah.
Tinago ko lang ulit yan.
What's that?
What's that? Oh no.
What is that? What is this? What is this?
Toy.
What is it? I have no
It's a
idea.
toy.
What
Super
is
game.
it? Pick it up.
Open that last one.
Tom. I don't know. I know what. It's Elsa.
Elsa! Look at Elsa again.
Oh.
Wow!
It's not.
Elsa.
It's cooking.
What? It's Poppy.
Wow! That's so cute. Do you like the gift from Santa?
Pretty.
What about the bike? You can ride the bike now. You ride the bike, Nick?
That's our name right there.
See, from Santa. Yeah, from Santa.
Ah. Where's the baby? The baby. Ay. Nagigigil ako sa pimples ko. Yan na, baby.
Nasa lamesa.
Toothpaste. Kuya Tom, can you get toothpaste in Malia's room? Sige na. Ay, papit, baby, papit. Papit! Yay!
Hurry up!
Yung anak mo yung matagal na tulog ka natin.
Anong oras?
How can
Anong ginawa?
someone lift me up here?
Kung tumatulog ka na, kahit wala kang nagising.
Will someone
Sabi mo,
lift me
isa
up?
sumagot na nanggalan ko ng wifi.
Wait, Tom, wait.
Thank you, kuya. Grabe ka rin, kuya. Ako mo nakatulog kang gabi. Kaya may dapat sa mga tulog. Pasko eh.
Thank
Parang
you.
hindi naman Pasko pala ka na nangyari.
O, hindi talagang paso kasi wala nga kayong picture sa ano eh. Pagkain.
Meron, kaso lang ba talaga wala kasama?
O kaya nga, ba't di kayo nagpicture?
Lupat ka sa ako eh.
Oh, papit, papit, kuya, kuya. Papit, papit, baby.